Hello, good afternoon, everybody. I am back with a follow-up from my video that I did this morning where I showed you how to make this adorable card that was inspired by Stacia Bloodheart. Gotta make sure I give her credit because I totally love her card and had to make it. So if you watched the video earlier, I showed you how to do the basket weaving on this cute basket and explained a couple little tricks on how to make it a little easier. But then I got to thinking about it after the video, and I just kept thinking there has to be an easier way to do it. And so I came up with a little trick that I'm going to share with you. So I have cut out the basket, I've cut out the grass and the little piece that goes across there. And then I've cut out a few of the strips of cardstock. All of these were cut out using the dies that come with the Easter basket bundle. And so instead of weaving them in and out through the basket like we did earlier, I have come in with my scissors and I have trimmed to the bottom of the basket, all the way across the bottom, so that these are now like little flaps. And by doing so, then we can just layer them and they just move so much easier than when they're all attached at the bottom. Now this is only going to work because we're going to put a strip of grass in the bottom. So you can see I've already done the first layer with the pink. Then we're going to come in with the yellow, and it's going to go the opposite. But because these are cut at the bottom, like look how much faster this goes. So my trick is going to be, or I guess my suggestion is going to be, always put the oh shoot, my own fingers are getting in my way. Always put the grass at the bottom of the basket, and then you can use this little trick. I'll just start over, sorry. This always happens, right, when you're live. Like when you're not live, stuff goes just like it's supposed to. Because it's not cut at the bottom, it's easy for it to fall back out of place. So, all right, there we go. We're going to put that in, slide it up. We're going to come in with our green, and we're going to do it the opposite. Isn't this so much easier? If you watched my video earlier, then you will understand why I keep saying that this is so much easier than the way I did it earlier. And again, if you're not putting the grass at the bottom of the basket, you won't be able to do it this way. So I'm gonna just actually try to push these up a little bit. And then we're gonna come in with the pink. Key is to not let it fall out of the bottom as you go, because since you've cut the bottom, now it's easy for it to sneak its way back out if you're not careful. So we just have one more to add with the yellow. Now again, this is only going to work if you're willing to put grass at the bottom of the basket, because you're going to hide all the little cuts. Oh. I think it's just because, you're trying to hurry when you're doing the video. I was trying to make this super quick because I don't want to take up a lot of your time, but I did want to share this cute little trick. Need to slow down. That's what I need to do. Slow down, enjoy the process. One more. And then we're that up as far as we can get it to go. And then we're going to take our grass and we're going to adhere it to the bottom, but I'm going to actually get out my silicone mat for this part. So we're going to just add some glue to the bottom of this grass, the back side, and just place that across the bottom of the basket. And now we have hidden all those little cuts that we made. And while that dries, we can go ahead and add this piece on as well. And then we just go in and cut off those pieces like we did before. On the back side, they don't have to go all the way to the edge. On the front side, you're just cutting them at the edge, so it looks like it's all part of the basket. And there you go. So that was definitely a lot faster than how I did it in the video earlier today. So just wanted to share that with you. Hope that helps if you purchase this. It's just a neat little trick, an easier way to get your basket assembled. Have a great day.